everyone, this is Pan Pan from Pan Daily. Welcome back to our channel with our latest smartphone review. Today we've got OPPO Reno 4 Pro, the latest product of OPPO Reno series with high imaging quality for our young trendsetters. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's kick off with some 101s. The OPPO Reno 4 Pro has a 6.5-inch AMOLED curved screen, which attains vivid images with brighter and clearer pixels even under direct sunlight. The refresh rate is 90 Hz, which is satisfying enough to achieve smooth animation and transition. An outstanding feature about Reno 4 Pro is that it only weighs 161 grams, about 5.7 ounces, which is much lighter than most of the products in the industry. In addition, the screen ratio is 20:9, so I feel really comfy to use and type just by one hand, unless you have a super bulky phone case. The front of the phone features a 32-megapixel selfie camera, while the rear comes with a 48-megapixel HD quad camera on the upper left, which is different from a triple camera setup in the Chinese variant. I personally love the color of this fuselage, which is called Starry Night according to the official platform. And the anti-glare matte finish really gives it a sense of premium and also ensures it's fingerprint resistant. Now comes with the exciting part, the imaging quality. With the 48-megapixel HD quad camera, Reno 4 Pro can take photos at up to 108 megapixels with abundant textures. Details and color are well retained even with a 20 times zoom in. Concerning night shooting, Reno 4 Pro comes out with an ultra night mode for both selfie and rear cameras, which will automatically brighten the dimly lit part in the frame, enabling the details in the shadow to be well reserved. If you're a selfie gang like me, then this phone's definitely gonna strike a chord with a stunning night selfie. Now comes with my favorite part, which is the Ultra Steady Video 3.0, offering 3 stabilization modes with both front and rear cameras. If you're a vlog fanatic, this mode can definitely level up your footage quality without using a gimbal or a GoPro when shooting dynamic scenes such as running to the bus stop, chasing the dog, or scanning along the merchandise. Another videography gimmick about Reno 4 Pro is its 960 frame per second smart slo-mo, which enables some decisive moment to be recorded in an epic style. The phone also supports 4K shooting with 30 frames per second and 1080p shooting with up to 60 frames per second. That is appreciable for manipulating your footages with a speed ramp in the post-production. Finally, let's take a look at some of the hardwares. Different from its Chinese variant, the CPU is a surprising downgrade with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G rather than 756G. However, the Reno 4 Pro made a huge step by debuting the 65-watt SuperVOOC 2.0 charging technology, supporting up to 65-watt fast charging. The official said it's the fastest among the available products in the market, which can fully charge a phone in only 36 minutes. However, please make sure that you use the original charging gears, or else it could still be a painful process if you just randomly pick up a Type-C cable in the charger. So, in a nutshell, the Reno 4 Pro really inherits and pushes forward the advantages of Reno series as a mid-range product. I would recommend you this product if you have high hopes of shooting great photos and videos with your smartphone, as well as this fashionable appearance. And that's all for today's video. We would like to see what you guys think about this OPPO product, so leave your comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to keep updated with our channel. I'm Pan Pan from Pan Daily, and see you next time!